Nobody expected to find a legend sitting among scrap metal. What looked like just another rusted truck abandoned in a junkyard was actually something far more powerful. A Ford F-150 Raptor. A machine built for dominance. Built to roar. Built to command attention. And yet, here it was. Forgotten. The body was overwhelmed by corrosion. Paint had faded into dull patches of brown and gray. The grille that once looked aggressive and fearless now seemed worn down by years of neglect. The engine, designed to thunder across terrain, had completely lost its voice. Silence had replaced power. Most people would have seen nothing worth saving, just scrap metal waiting to be crushed. But strength doesn't disappear that easily. It waits for the right moment to return. The recovery wasn't glamorous. Rusted bolts fought back. Panels resisted removal. Years of abandonment had hardened every component. But beneath the damage, the Raptor's foundation remained tough, resilient, unbroken. The first deep clean revealed its true identity. As layers of dirt washed away, those bold lines started to reappear. The stance, the presence, the attitude. You could almost feel the truck remembering what it was built to be. Then came the overhaul. The engine was carefully opened and inspected. Worn parts replaced. Systems revived. Every repair wasn't just mechanical. It was restorative. Piece by piece, strength replaced decay. This wasn't about making it look new. It was about bringing back what made it powerful in the first place. And then came the moment that changes everything. The key turns. A pause, then ignition. The roar that followed shattered the years of silence. Not just noise, authority. The kind of sound that reminds you why the Raptor was feared on and off the road. What once sat abandoned in a junkyard now stands reborn. Proof that even when something looks finished, it might only be waiting for a second chance. Legends don't fade. They fight their way back.